So over the past few days, Jamaica's reggae boys have played against El Salvador. We got 2-0. And against Costa Rica, we got 1-0. And again, it's the same old story. No pattern, no organization, no shape to the Jamaican team. And as usual, my pet peeve, no real creative players. And without creativity, our offense will continue to suffer. And look, we see where Coach Tapper Whitmore I get a whole heap of beating for these two results. People say I'm against the football and him don't know him do one way and day. But just for some context, we played in El Salvador and in Costa Rica. Jamaica has never beaten Costa Rica in Costa Rica, and we have won just twice in El Salvador. So Central America is a difficult place to play for Jamaica. But here why Tapper to get some real beating right now. His decision to play Michael Hector at centre half. I thought it was well established that Michael Hector cannot play centre half. He lose the ball too much and he make too much mistakes. And if Hector is to make this Jamaican team, it must be in central midfield and not at centre half. My understanding is that Hector is playing central midfield at his club right now. So everybody get the memo, except Tapper. Yeah. Tapper, you forget me for this one. Yes. You can't beg for you, my boss. No. You deserve, or even play Hector at centre. You forget me, Tapper. Yes. You know, learn, take it. All right, easy. Don't kill it.